Access Control, Greater Heights, Texas. Are you looking for an access control company in Greater Heights, Texas? We can help. Nexlar specializes in access control and security gate automation. We provide service in Greater Heights, Texas. Secure your business with Nexlar's Greater Heights Access Control System. We offer a wide range of commercial security solutions to meet the needs of businesses of all sizes. One way to make your commercial property more secure is to install physical access control systems. With the right expertise in lock hardware, you can ensure your company will have the best system installed. In addition, access control systems can act as a deterrent to employee theft. Whether you are looking to secure your doors or gate, we can help. Nexlar Security is a leading security company that is trusted by small and large organizations throughout Greater Heights and beyond. We work with the latest technology in card readers, magnetic locks, electronic strikes, and locks. Schedule your free access control on-site estimate today. Call us today. 281-407-0768. Visit us at https://www.nexlar.com/access control installation/Greater Heights access control/.